In the previous video, we talked about AI influencers who earn $11,000 for each post. The amount is quite significant. Industries like fashion, automotive, jewelry, and pretty much anything you can think of are seeking influencers to introduce and promote their products. Take global football star Lionel Messi, who allowed PepsiCo to use a digital version of him to promote Lay's potato chips. Samsung hired Lil Miquela, predicted to have earned $9 million this year for their Team Galaxy campaign. This 19-year-old robot living in Los Angeles was chosen as one of Time magazine's top 25 influential people in 2018 and starred in advertisements for Calvin Klein, alongside supermodel Bella Hadid. In the previous video, we generate a new model and created images in different styles and location for she. But what if we want to create a video for our influencer? So to learn how these types of videos are created, watch this video until the end. Deepfake technology essentially creates a virtual copy of a person. You may have seen the video of Tom Cruise in the kitchen.
Hey, what's up, TikTok? Look, I do a lot of my own stunts, but I also do a lot of industrial cleanup.
This technology could transform the movie industry. It might happen in the future that Bruce Lee appears in a movie. What do you think? This video has two parts. First, we need to find some videos that match the body, hair, and overall appearance of our model. Then, we'll use deepfake technology to swap our model's face with the original face in those videos. I want to use the same model from my previous video, so the videos I find should have long blonde hair and a good physique. I did a search on TikTok and found these videos.
You could tag it. No, you wanna see me naked, naked, naked. I wanna be a baby, baby, baby.
To download TikTok videos, copy the link of the video you want, then search for TikTok downloader on Google. You can use one of these websites to download the video. You can find these videos on TikTok, Instagram, or even YouTube. You could even be the creator of these videos yourself, or generate by AI. For the second step, I want to show you two solutions. The first one is a user-friendly website called Unboring. I have included the link in the video description. When you enter the site, click on Swap Face. The samples provided here demonstrate how this site works. We need to upload a photo or video to it, along with our model's image. Click on Upload Content and select the video downloaded in the previous step. Then click on Add Face and choose the main face of our model. To use this site, you need to register. You can easily do this with your Gmail or Facebook account. After registration, click on the Swap Face button. Our video is now ready.
I don't know if you could tag it. No, you wanna see me naked, naked, naked.
I've used this method for my other videos as well. However, there's a limitation with Unboring. It only offers 5 tokens in its free version, allowing us to use it for only 5 videos. So let's move on to the second solution, Google Colab. I have provided the link to this page in the video's description. Click on it to open this page. Wait for the connection to establish, indicated by a green tick. Then click on this Run button. You don't need to go into details, just follow my instructions. There was an error. I'll try again. It does all the work itself. It took me just 14 seconds. Now let's move to the next step, download model. I'll click Run again. It took me just 3 seconds. But if it takes longer for you, don't worry. Wait for it to complete. Now, I'll drag and drop my model's image and video file here for upload. I'll do this for both files. Since their names are long, let's edit their names first. Right-click, choose Rename File, and write New Name. Do the same for the next file. Now, I need the addresses of these files. Right-click, select Copy Path, paste the video address in the Target section, and the model's image address in the Source section. You can delete this part. So what are these? The first one is the target, our original video. The second is the source requiring our model's image. And the third is the output file address that will be generated for us. I'll click this button to create the final output. This process might take some time. Remember, each time you close your browser, you'll need to repeat these steps unless you install the original files on your PC. When you see a green tick here, it means the creation of a new video is complete. Right-click and select Refresh. The swapped file is your output. Click on the three dots and choose Download. Let's compare the outputs of these two methods.
I know if you could take it. No, you wanna see me naked, naked, naked. I wanna be a baby, baby, baby.
The video created by Unboring had better facial changes, but the video created by Google Colab has better quality. The difference in video quality is quite noticeable. They might perform differently on other videos. If you've tried this, share your results in the comments. Let's explore various uses of these AI influencers together. 1. If you have a business needing someone to record videos for introducing your products, you or someone close to you can do this without worrying about being recognized thanks to this technology. It can be very cost-effective. 2. You can be active on various social media platforms and, like these influencers, earn a considerable income. Secure good sponsorships and enter contracts with big companies. Extraordinary earnings like $11,000 per post. 3. You can have your YouTube channel and appear in front of the camera, but without worrying about being recognized or judged based on your face. This way, your self-confidence can rise. 4. Certainly there are other uses as well that I'd like you to think about and write whatever comes to your mind in the comments. This is brainstorming, which can be the beginning of new ideas. If you are interested in making money from AI, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell so you don't miss future videos. See you in the next video.